Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce creatinine level by Baba Ramdev. Begin by consulting your doctor before starting pranayama, herbs, or diet shifts. Focus on consistent breathing exercises, mild detox herbs, and hydration habits that support kidneys. Combine gentle yoga, low-protein dietary tweaks, and sleep hygiene to help your body heal. Track results with tests and adapt practices under medical guidance for steady, safe improvements over time. Start pranayama gently, focusing on comfort and steady rhythm to reduce stress and support kidney circulation. Spend 10 to 15 minutes on diaphragmatic breathing, then 5 to 10 minutes on anulum vilum, keeping sessions calm and controlled. Use Kapalbhati only briefly and stop if you feel dizzy or strained. Practice while seated comfortably, aiming for daily consistency and gradual progression, as guided by a qualified instructor or healthcare professional. Adjust your diet to ease kidney workload by moderating protein and cutting processed sodium-heavy foods. Favor whole plant foods, controlled portions, and adequate fluids without overhydration. Use herbs suggested by Baba Ramdev as complementary options only, and always check interactions with prescriptions. Small, consistent dietary shifts combined with medical oversight often help more than dramatic fads, so prioritize safety, testing, and gradual change for sustainable support of.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.